Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to throw a punch like a black belt. I have about 10 years of experience teaching and taking Taekwondo. I'm a second degree black belt and I'm going to show you today what I learned about throwing a punch. The first things first, there's two types of punches. There's a jab with your front hand and a reverse or a cross with your backhand. So you're going to want to put whatever hand you want to punch with. If you want to punch hard, that one goes in the back. If you want to punch have distance, that one goes in the front. So I'm right-handed, so if I wanted distance, I would put that hand in the front. If I wanted strength, I would put that hand in the back. Now we're going to talk a little bit about your hand. So how do you actually hold a punch? What's the grip? A lot of people put their thumb on the inside like this. This is a good way to break your thumb. You do not want to do that. What you want to do is close your palm, pull it tight. You shouldn't have any light showing. If you try to look through your hand, you shouldn't have any light showing. No light. Close your palm as tight as possible, and then take your thumb and close it over the bottom like it locks it all in place. So your knuckles, your fingertips are digging into your hand. Your thumb is over top of your knuckles. And then how do we actually hit with the punch? So now we have our hand like this. Now what we're actually going to hit with is these two front knuckles. Primarily, you're going to hit with this middle knuckle. You do not want to break your wrist. If you throw a punch and you just throw it what feels natural, you're going to end up punching like this and rolling your wrist and hurting your wrist. So please do not throw a punch like that. You want to hit with these two knuckles, primarily with the middle one. So when your hand goes all the way out, it's going to feel a little bit weird, but you're going to actually turn it a little bit. So this is a straight line down your arm. So from here all the way down is straight. You should be able to see straight to your front knuckle. So these two are hitting. Okay? So now that we have our hand clenched in a fist, and we know which part of our fist we're going to punch with, I'll show you how you're going to stand. So you're going to stand with, we're going to start with a cross. So that's powerful arm, whatever hand you are, right-handed or left-handed, in the back. So your hands are going to be up, protecting your body and your face. And then to throw the punch, you're going to bend back. So you're going to bring your hand down a little bit lower than normal. Then you're going to turn with your foot first. Your foot is going to pivot. And as your foot pivots, your hand comes out and it's upside down, and then it rotates out at the last second. So it looks like this. We go pivot and punch all at once. So a little bit slower. It goes out. We're hitting with these two knuckles. And you hit your punch. And you're going to want to keep the other hand up so you don't get kicked while you're doing it or punched while you're doing it. So again, we go back, twist, rotate your arm, punch with these two knuckles. Okay? So for a jab, what we're going to do is we're going to bend down a little bit. This hand protects your face. We're going to bend down. This hand goes back near towards your ribs. And then you're going to twist your body as you rotate your feet. Again, your feet are a big part of it. You're going to rotate your feet. You're going to twist your hip. And you're going to throw the punch out. And you want these two knuckles again in the front. So we go down. We're protecting our face. We rotate our feet. We rotate our hips. Rotate all the way out, full extension. And punch with these two knuckles. Now guys, I just want to say, now that you know how to throw a punch, please do not punch people if you can avoid it. I have done martial arts the majority of my life, and I've never found a reason to punch somebody that I wasn't sparring or anything like that. I've never needed to get in a fight. I've never gotten into a real fight because I think self-control is more important than just taking out your anger on somebody. So please have self-control. Try diplomacy first. Try to reason with the person. I would only ever hurt somebody. I would only ever punch somebody or anything else. Use anything that I learned to help another person or to protect myself from a real threat. So please do not just go out and punch people. But one more time, we're going to show the punch. So your hands are up in front of your body so you can't get kicked or punched. And you're going to twist your back leg. You're going to throw your arm out and extend all the way with your hips moving. You want your hips to move. You want your foot to rotate. You want your shoulders to rotate. Everything rotating, that's what gives you the most power. So everything at once, everything rotate. Your hand comes out, twists over, rotates over. So, like that, guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please like the video. Please hit post notifications. I'm going to be putting out more martial arts stuff as well in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. Again, I have about 10 years of experience. I am a second-degree black belt, so I would like to help you guys. Anything you want to know, any kind of kick, any kind of punch that I can do, I would be more than happy to show you. I was an instructor for probably about 6 of those 10 years, so I'm very used to teaching people how to do it. So please let me know. Thank you very much.